Hello everybody, this is Brian Medansky. Thanks for visiting us at booth 2228 at IDA Expo 2018. You're here today to take a look at our new CarSense 303. We call it a single cut vehicle detector, or also known as a loopless sensor. The idea of this is to take away using a loop in the ground, traditional loops with inductive detector. Anywhere you envision using a loop, you can put one of these in here. And it's our CarSense 303. So if you can imagine a full loop, instead you use this, our flat pack sensor, simple saw cut in, middle of the roadway, and this will provide you with 5 feet detection all around, above, sides, 10 feet in diameter. So to all you dealers out there, I don't know what it costs you to cut loops to install it, but this has to at least drastically cut your time down in half. And this is what we're told, and this is what we've experienced. A secondary one you can use is this one, and that's our DB. Now this is your flat cut, your saw cut. This would be your DB. If you prefer, you could drill a hole, drop it in the ground, seal it up, and you're all done as well. Same parameters, 5 feet all around, above, cars, trucks, forklifts, you name it. You want to detect it, you got it. And all that runs back, our lead wire back to our control unit, CarSense 303C1. Now if you have a wider driveway, 20 to 30 feet, or you want to cover both ends of a door or gate, you can use 2 sensors at once. You simply program both sensors with the control unit, power down, and then you swap in our CarSense 303 logic interface. That'll provide you with 2 relay outputs, have a free exit, presence, send another signal, and you're covered with that. So, I mean, it's pretty simple to me. If you want to use CarSense 303, I would give it a try. If you're using loops, I'm sure you are, give the CarSense 303 a try. And, again, I'm Brian, or reach out to emxinc.com, or give us a call at 1-800-426-9912, and we certainly would appreciate it. Thanks for your business, and thanks for your future business. And we hope to see you at the next IDA. Thanks. Bye.